Hello, everyone. Every piece of advice I'm going to share comes directly from technicians working at a well-known appliance repair shop in the city. So don't worry, we're going to find the solution here. Whenever a customer tells us, my dishwasher started showing I30 and never finishes the cycle. In the shop, we always explain that this usually indicates a problem with the water inlet. Shop technicians have seen that when the water flow isn't steady or sufficient, the machine stops the cycle to protect the system. Some customers comment, "It sounded like it was trying to fill, but nothing happened," which gives us the first clue about where to start checking. On the other hand, the water inlet valve is one of the parts that most often causes this error. If it's dirty, blocked, or has an electrical fault, the dishwasher won't get enough water and triggers I30. Shop technicians inspect the valve, make sure the supply is reaching it correctly, and measure the electrical signal. One customer told us there were sediments in the inlet hose, which confirms that cleaning filters and hoses is an essential step before replacing any parts. Additionally, water pressure plays an important role. When it's too low, the dishwasher doesn't fill properly and displays I30. Shop technicians check the pressure, ensure the hoses aren't kinked or blocked, and adjust the valve if necessary. Some Frigidaire bulletins indicate that certain models trigger I30 when the inlet pressure is below the recommended level, so this check is key. We also need to consider the flow or water level sensors. If the sensor is dirty or malfunctioning, it sends incorrect information to the control board and generates the I30 error. Shop technicians clean the contacts, check continuity, and confirm that the sensor works properly. One customer mentioned everything seemed fine, but it still showed I30. And upon inspecting the sensor, we found that dirt was preventing it from reading the water level correctly.